All right. All right. So that seal is out of there now. Now I can come in and I'm gonna jam all of this up. Paint all of this, get it all scuffed up, paint it black, and kind of go from there, guys. All right. So my guy Ben came by, helped me drop this sunroof out of here, guys. I didn't film it, but we got it out of there. So I'm gonna tape these wires up. I'm actually gonna pull that off. I need to find another plug for the sunroof, another switch, see if I can find something on eBay. I have to just keep searching until I find one. But yeah, the sunroof is out of there. I'm gonna have to see if I could tear it apart. I got another one, so I'll probably tear the other one apart and see, you know, see how that works before I mess with this one. But the other one is black. I could just, yeah, I probably could just use the other one, because I know the cables and everything in that one was really good. So I might just use the other one that I have to put back in here instead of this one I took out of here. All right, guys. All right, so I'm gonna be pulling this window trim. So all I want to do is put that in there, find the clip, pop it, I want to see what what's going on up under here. Make sure all the clips are good. See how this window looks. That should be popped loose. All right. Come on around. So all you're gonna do is listen for a pop. And once you hear that pop, so it might be a screw. No, it's got to be another clip right here somewhere. All right, so once you hear that pop, you're good. So, and this is just gonna come off of there. I gotta get the tape off of here. Do that later. All right, so all of these are popped, so I'm gonna go on the other side now. So all you're doing, guys, is putting this up under here and prying that clip like so. Hear that pop? Hear that? Excuse me. Hear that pop? Pop. All right. So then that one should come off. All right. So then I just want to come on down and around. Listen for the pop. Pass it up. Quit trying to hide on me. Why this one won't pop? All right, one more. All right, so now all of them are off, and wow, it looks clean in there. But at least with this now, I'll be able to come in here and scuff and get that paint down off in here. But yeah, no need to reseal this window or anything. All right, so then I'm gonna come through and I'm on I did the other side already, but I'm on rough this up with 80 grit. It's just surface rust, and come through with the 801 metal treatment, which I'm almost out of, and treat this and put this in prime. And I'm gonna get this painted, and then I'm gonna blend in when I paint the rest of the car, because I want to get this sunroof and stuff back in this car. So so I'm gonna put some scuff and stuff. It's different names, same thing, but I'm gonna put that on this scuff pad. And I just want to come in here and I'm gonna scuff all of this up, guys. I just want all of this scuffed so I can paint and prime this. So I even want to get inside this ledge. I should pull these clips all the way off, but it's so much gook in there. I might pull them out, guys, and just make sure I can get inside this edge of the window really, really good. And then this edge around here, all the way around, before I fix that trim, that seal, I'm gonna come in and I want to scuff this up. Get my tools from down there, because I want to come in and wipe this down, come through, get the rest of this edge. So that's just the next step here, guys, is coming in, scuffing this up really, really good. So to get these clips off, you want to pry. I'll show you once I get this one out. But a lot of times, people don't like messing with these if they don't have to, because it don't take much to just get a crack in your windshield. But if you look here, I get right in there and I pry that back, and then this clip will slip right out of there. So that's how I get those clips out of there, guys. These other ones, they're a little easier. They just slide over and slide in there. Those are a lot easier than the metal clips here. But you want to make sure that, you know, if you got a vinyl top, all your top material is out of this area. And you know, sometimes when they put the window sills in, you have a lot of glue in here. So if you know how to take them out, take them out. Got to get that glue out of there. And like I said, then I'm gonna just pry on this just a little bit, and then that clip should come right out of there. Like I say, you want to watch it, because you know this windshield don't need to be took out. It don't need to be resealed. So I don't want to make it, I don't want to accidentally chip my windshield at all, messing with this thing, guys. All right, so there, I got that all in epoxy primer. Now I'm gonna come through and put primer on this area here. Then the whole car will be primed. Just need to be wet sand and painted at that point. All right, so I got this whole roof in prime now, and it's looking good. So what I'm gonna do now is, after all this time, I'm gonna come in and do this top now before I do anything else. Then I'll recover it. It's ripping on me pretty good. All right, so with that ripping like that, I want to come this way. And then what I'm gonna do, guys, here, since this is ripping, I'm gonna take, I'm gonna put me a piece of, either lift it up this way some kind of way, but I don't want to heat this up. But I'm gonna be burning these off, so this will quit shredding like that. So anyway, I want to get all of the tape off of this top, and I'm gonna be coming in and I'm gonna be dyeing this top up, because green, black, and red are not good combinations. So I'm gonna be dyeing this top up red at this point. So I'm gonna treat this and get it all painted, and yeah, get ready to dye this top, guys. All right, so let me get all this tape off of here. All right, guys, so with these hanging chads, hanging threads, I just want to come through and just stop this from fraying anymore. So